ready to turn that spare room into a crypto-generating powerhouse. Today, we're diving headfirst into building your own mining rig, focusing on the essential components and setup process. Though remember, we're talking about mining alternatives to Ethereum these days. First, the heart of your operation. GPUs. Aim for at least 6 high-performance cards. Considering their hash rate and power consumption, research which coins are most profitable to mine with your chosen GPUs. Next, you'll need a motherboard with enough PCIe slots to accommodate all your GPUs. Make sure it's compatible with your chosen processor and RAM. Grab a compatible CPU. A high-end processor isn't crucial for mining. A budget-friendly option will suffice. Install your RAM. 8 GB is generally enough, but 16 GB can provide some headroom. A beefy power supply unit is critical. Calculate your total power draw based on your GPUs and other components. Then add at least 20% headroom for stability. A 1200-watt PSU or higher is common. Secure your components in a mining rig frame. This provides stability and airflow. Open-air frames are popular for cooling. You'll need a storage drive to install your operating system and mining software. A small SSD or even a USB drive will do the trick. Connect everything. Carefully connect the power supply to the motherboard and GPUs using appropriate PCIe power cables. Don't forget SATA cables for your storage drive. Connect your rig to the internet using an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Install your chosen operating system and mining software. Configure the software with your wallet address and mining pool information. Start mining. Monitor your hash rate and temperatures to ensure optimal performance and stability. Adjust settings as needed to maximize profitability while keeping your hardware cool. Remember to research the best coins to mine with your hardware for maximum profit. Happy mining!